Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of wireless earbuds with a budget-friendly option that promises impressive sound quality without breaking the bank.
I'm talking about the Earfun Air 2. So let's see if these earbuds truly deliver on their promises. First off, let's talk about the design.
The Earfun Air 2 comes in a sleek, compact charging case that's perfect for on-the-go use.
It's lightweight and durable, making it easy to carry around without worrying about damage.
The earbuds themselves have a modern, AirPods-like design with a comfortable fit that ensures they stay in place during extended use.
Now, onto sound quality.
Despite its affordable price tag, the Earfun Air 2 impresses with its audio performance. The treble is clear and crisp, while the bass packs a punch without overwhelming the rest of the audio. Whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or taking calls, these earbuds deliver a satisfying listening experience. In terms of features, the Earfun Air 2 offers some handy extras that you wouldn't expect from budget earbuds. The Earfun Audio app allows you to customize your sound with an EQ system, giving you the flexibility to adjust the audio to suit your preferences.
Plus, the inclusion of wireless charging is a nice touch, especially at this price point.
However, it's worth noting that the Earfun Air 2 does have some drawbacks. The touch controls can be a bit finicky, and the lack of noise cancellation may be a deal-breaker for some users. But if you're willing to overlook these minor flaws, you'll be rewarded with a pair of earbuds that offer excellent value for money.
So, should you consider picking up the Earfun Air 2?
If you're on a tight budget and looking for affordable wireless earbuds that deliver impressive sound quality, then absolutely. Despite a few shortcomings, these earbuds offer great value for money and are worth considering. That's all for today's review. Thanks for watching Product Critique.